Okay, for those of you that own a 2011 Ford Escape, my son's Escape wouldn't start. We had it towed home. A friend of mine came over and he thought possibly it was the starter that was bad and the solenoid. We changed those. Still wouldn't start. We were about to have it towed into a dealership when he decided to look into the owner's manual and looked at the fuses. He found that there is a specific fuse for the starter. I've got it right here with this tape, so I'll know where it's at next time that my 2011 Ford Escape won't start. If you will take that out and replace it with another fuse, it will work. Here is another one you can take out. This actually operates your powered seats, so you can take this one out, take that one out, put the powered seat fuse right there, and your car will start. Hope this helps you mechanically declined people such as myself.